Hello, and welcome to the Pentaho role-based security example. You'll have the same example when you download Pentaho. Most people begin by logging in as the username Joe and the password, as we're doing here. We're going to concentrate on the territory role-based security example. So to first take a look at that, let's open up the dashboard called Regional Sales Performance. What you'll notice is that Joe has access to North America, Japan, EMEA, and Asia Pacific. Now let's log in as a different user. First we'll log out, and now we'll log in as Pat. When we log in as Pat, and we go to the same dashboard and open that up, the Regional Sales Performance, we'll notice that Pat only has access to the territory North America. Why is that? Let's begin to investigate. This is part of role-based security. First of all, when we took a look at this in the Enterprise console, we'll notice that Joe is an admin of the system, whereas if we take a look at Pat, Pat is a developer of the system. Let's find out what kind of differences there are in the security for administrators and developers. To do this, I'm going to open up the Pentaho metadata editor. When I open up the Pentaho metadata editor, I'm going to click on the orders as part of the sample data and click on the right mouse button to do an edit. When we now look at the orders and we look at the security by paging down, we'll notice that there are role-based constraints that are in place. And if I scroll down further, you'll see that the admin is just simply set to true, whereas the developer has a constraint in place. If I click on the constraint and go into the editor to take a closer look at it, you'll see that all developers have a constraint formula in place where they are only allowed to see the territories that are North America. For more information on security, please review the Pentaho Security Guide on the infocenter.pentaho.com. Thank you, and this concludes the Pentaho role-based security example.